This segment is brought to you by A&W Nature Labs.
Right round the corner, down by the canyon, I met a man who lost his way. He said, I'm so born the son of a sailor who never showed me his face. My daddy's gone and my mama met a maker. Oh, to hell with that place. So I said, quit your talking, you're sideways walking. Time to find another path to take. Quit your whining, your blood.
What's up, guys? We just finished our first mineral site of the season. It's early spring here in Michigan. We're using Mineral Magnet by A&W Nature Labs. These guys put a lot of time and effort into making this product. They got a lot of knowledge in this area as well. We're really happy with what we got so far. We got a trail cam set up over here about 15 yards. We're excited to see what we can catch. Hopefully we see some bucks growing some velvet. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
Some home. Boy, you need you some home. Her name was Peggy Sue, and her daddy hung the moon. In her eyes, he could do no wrong. But then he started drinking like there's a message in the bottle. Now daddy's painting Peggy black and blue. She closes her eyes through the hero's demise, holds to a hope beyond the sky. She takes a breath, a weight comes off her chest. She finds a way to weather through the storm.